Hey guys, Gary with Automatic Door and Hardware. I hope this video helps. What we're going over today is how to adjust the cams on a Stanley Magic Force door opener. So if you're familiar with the Stanley Magic Force, it's been around for quite some time. They have the Magic Access, which is like their low energy, the Magic Force, which is their staple, and then at one point they had the Magic Swing as well, which was like really heavy duty, but this will be for the Magic Force. I think now they're going under the name M Force. But we're going to explain how to adjust those cams here in a second. Let me go ahead and show you what a Magic Force operator looks like and where those cams are. Okay guys, so here's the Stanley Magic Force here. So if you open up your header and it looks like that, there's a UL certification 2 on here, Magic Force operator, R5522 fire door operator. So this is what it looks like. And it looks much different than their other operators, like a Magic Access or something like that. And then there's the motor there inside of this housing. So this thing weighs a good amount, but what we're going to be going over today are these cams here. So as we get into it, this is what we're going to be referencing, how to adjust the cams on the Stanley Magic Force.
How to properly adjust the cams on a Stanley Magic Force. When working with a Stanley Magic Force operator, it is crucial to adjust the cams correctly to ensure proper operation of the operator. To adjust cams, place a small flathead screwdriver in the slotted portion of the cam and use the screwdriver to manually turn the cam. The top two cams shown are your breakout cams. These cams should be adjusted so that the cam does not engage with the switch at all during normal operation from 0 to 90 degrees. These cams should be adjusted where the raised part of the cams are directly behind the micro switch it engages with. This will ensure as the door opens, the raised portion of the cam moves away from the switches. The third cam from the top is your closed check cam. This controls when the door slows down and goes into check in the closing direction. This cam should be adjusted where the micro switch drops off the raised portion of the cam when the door is 10 to 15 degrees from its full closed position. The bottom cam is the auxiliary cam that can be used to provide an open or closed contact when the door is open or closed, typically used to inhibit an approach side door mounted sensor. This cam can be adjusted so that the micro switch is engaged with the raised portion of the cam in either the open or closed position. Once the switch is engaged with the cam, you will get an open or closed contact from the terminal block on the micro switch card.
All right guys, so that was the video. I hope this helps. For more Stanley automatic door opener videos, adjustment tips, how-tos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.